I think that I could not imagine 15 years ago, in 2005, when I reached the IRB, that I will create Gate2Brain 15 years later. It has to go so fast, no? So 15 years of working in the lab, having a team, teaching people how to do peptides, and then working with the people in communication, in patents. So 15 years of enjoying the everyday, you know, and making that the technology so the Gate2Brain, the spin-off is based on the Gate2Brain technology that it's born in IRB. So this technology, it's helping drugs to reach the brain. And in fact, it is the aim of the company, no? To use this technology to send the drugs to the brain in a better efficacy, maybe avoiding some side effects. And in fact, the company now has one goal, that is to use the technology in a specific case of a pediatric brain tumor, thanks to the incorporation of Sant Joan de Déu also in the spin-off. I have enjoyed these years, and I think that I cannot make the list of everything I learned. Thanks to everyone. Yeah, we make it happen.